Okay, I'm here at my open house at 50585 Presidio Way, and we're open today, Saturday, and tomorrow, Sunday, 11 to 4. And I thought, let's take a look inside. The outside in the neighborhood is great, but there's more to see inside, so let's go. So, it's a very inviting entry. And then we turn right to go down to these two bedrooms. One is being used as an office, and the other is very inviting and has access to this bathroom, full bath, that also passes through to the hallway. We've got the laundry area here, which has a door into the garage. You'll notice so much storage. And on the other side, we've got the half bath and another bedroom that's been used as an art studio by the seller, who is a very accomplished local artist. Step through here to the kitchen. You can see the Korean counters, very clean. Cabinets are all in great shape, and got this nice built-in refrigerator that hides away. The propane range, microwave, and over here we've got double oven, including a convection oven. Into the dining area, which opens to the wraparound covered porch, giving you views of the surrounding hillside and a really cozy, weather-protected place to hang out with the family. We've got a very open living area with this other bonus dining area that can serve as a game room. Now we'll move around to the primary bedroom, which you enter through here. You can see giant walk-in closet. Again, views from the bed, and a nice gas insert fireplace. Bathroom has been completely remodeled. The very large shower, nice soaking tub, separate commode, and you can see the cabinets and countertops are really nicely done as well. So let's make our way back out through the living room to the back porch. Again, covered to keep you dry if it's raining. Wraps all the way around the house. Very inviting. And let's just step across the backyard onto this beautiful deck. Very well done with Ambaza decking. And you can just see from here, you've got these wonderful views. There's Deadwood Mountain. It's the lower part of the lot. So this lot is just a little over an acre, but very private, very scenic, wonderful house. And this property could be yours. Again, open today, Saturday, and tomorrow, Sunday, 1 to 4. Stop by, see the house in person, and say hi.